Hello everybody, my name is Jack. I'm an instructor for Guitars for Vets, and one of my friends, former students, asked me if I would get the chords ready for him for Bill Withers' Ain't No Sunshine. So I did, and I was surprised that after all these years I never actually knew the song. And what I mean by know the song is I used to play it the way I felt I'd play it. And if you watch videos of other people playing this song, everybody plays it differently. Some people use an A minor over here, some people use an A minor over here, they might use an A minor 7 over here, they play the E minor 7 like this, the D minor 7 like this. But all of that stuff, based upon my research, it's wrong in terms of what did Bill Withers play. There are very few Bill Withers videos online. And the ones that are available are from like the 70s, maybe the 80s. The resolution is pretty lousy. And half the time the camera's not even facing to Bill Withers' hand on the guitar. So it's hard to make out what he's doing. But while playing the song the way I used to know it, I noticed that it sounded good, but it doesn't sound like what he's playing. Now you got to, on the original recording, there's, I think it's a string accompaniment. I'm only talking about the guitar part. If you were to see Bill Withers play solo, without a band, without bass players, drummers, just by himself, these are the chords that you'll see him play. Okay, I'm not here to show you the rhythm. I'm going to show you the chords. Now, obviously it's an A minor, but it's A minor 7 is the first chord, and he only plays partial chords. He doesn't play full chords. All right, so the A minor 7 that he plays is middle finger on the 5th fret on the low E string. The A string is muted, and then you're going to put your ring finger down on the D string and the G string and just pluck the 3 strings. So you're muting the A string, and you don't want the upper notes to ring. It's just this.
Gonna leave the young thing alone, but ain't no sunshine when she's gone.
So that's the first chord. And then he plays an open E string, and then a G7. G7 is point the finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string, middle finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, and your ring finger on the 4th fret of the G string. And you're going to mute the A string, and all you're going to play is the E string, the D string, and the G string. Okay, now the other difference that I see, people are playing the E minor 7 like this, when in fact it's not. He plays just 3 notes. So this formation is the 7th fret. This is like a partial E minor 7 chord. Your pointer finger is on the 7th fret of the A string. Your middle finger is on the 7th fret of the G string, and your ring finger is on the 8th fret of the B string. And you're going to pluck 4 strings, but you can only sound 3. Now the D minor 7th is exactly the same formation, so don't move your fingers, just take the whole shape and move it down to the 5th fret. She's gone away.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home. And anytime she goes away.
So again, E minor 7 is a partial E minor 7, partial D minor 7, and then a partial A minor 7, and a partial G7. So I hope that helps you. Okay, have a nice day.